I recently just finished up the Evo tour and I wanted to share a little bit from my nature journal. So first day we went to the dry forest, and on the way there we saw the Cotopaxi volcano covered in snow, very beautiful. I'm practicing Japanese. A very cool spider with this weird zigzaggy pattern, and then this was a compilation of just photos that I had taken. One of our clients was super into macro photography, so he was like face first in a cactus, and then my tour leader John was trying to hide from the sun in my floral umbrella, and a little millipede we found, and a stick grasshopper. We found a baby one, and a really cool passion flower, and this feather that indicated that the bird who it came from was experiencing malnutrition for a little bit. Then the next day we went to the cloud forest and only did 2 things from the cloud forest: the gray-breasted mountain toucan eating the grapes, and this really pretty glitter weevil, and I'm so happy with how the iridescent paint came out on this guy. Then the next day we went up to the Pichincha volcano and we went to the frog park, and this is my tour leader John sleeping on the cushion plant, and this is the structure of the cushion plant, and he found some paper tree bark and it was in the shape of Ecuador, so he drew our tour itinerary map on it. And then we went to the frog sanctuary. There was this very cute frog that looked really derpily happy. It was like basically a frog, still a tadpole, but very happy about life. When we were coming into the Amazon, it had rained, but at the end we saw this beautiful rainbow and the pink river dolphins at the end of the rainbow, so great. And we found this cool rainbow boa. They really do have these iridescent scales on them, which is why they're called rainbow boas. And this plant hopper who had wrapped her eggs all the way around a little hanging anthurium root. This fly kept landing on us. It's a hoverfly, but we think is an orchid bee mimic. And here's all the stuff we found on one of our canoe trips. So starting down here in the morning, early in the morning, going all the way to later morning. And this also shows relatively where in the canopy we saw each of the things. Mostly birds, some mammals, like here's some monkeys, butterflies, dolphins. And finally, the bug page! Yay! I have this little thing that we had a spider drawing on making a web on my clipboard at night while I was drawing. It was brought in by the light. But a beautiful iridescent swallowtail moth, another opalescent weevil, a jewel bug that had its wing kind of out weird, a caterpillar that remains unidentified, a very cute weird plant hopper nymph, a trapjaw ant, and this really fun slug caterpillar. So yeah, there you have it. Basically a summary of the trip in drawing.